Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your Oppo Reno 8 Lite. So in order to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app and enter Firefox browser. Hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process will be completed, we can open our app. From here, begin customization, so we can pick a theme from light to dark, or maybe set it automatic. Change your toolbar placement from bottom or top. Always on privacy settings, you can set them on strict or standard. You can sign up to synchronize other devices that will be using Firefox browser and read this privacy notice. After everything is set, we can click on Start Browsing. And now our browser will be ready. Now let's jump into Wikipedia, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.